So let's go outside, guys. It's too hot inside. So come on, let's sit here. What's the background? Yeah. So we are here now, guys. We are here outside. I miss you guys, and I know that some of you been asking me in Facebook why I'm not vlogging anymore. It's because, guys, I don't want to uh I don't want to I don't want to and also I did not go somewhere. So there's nothing for me to show it to you guys that is beautiful. So yeah, that's why. No, I'm just happy. By the way, shout out to my new friend. What's the name of my friend? The name is Mark Vincent Del Rosario. Hi. Hi, sis. Sis ka nga ba? Shout out to you and thanks. Thanks. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Ay. Last week, guys, we celebrate our father's birthday. So that's the reason also why I here in Ireland. And we don't have cakes because there is low pressure and lots of big waves. So that's why I did not go to cities. I just gave cash. But he is very happy. My father. We love my father and then my mother. Oh, look at the two guys. It's near to me. By the way, I just update you about me. So I want you all to know that I'm doing well. I'm doing great and I always have fun. By the way, shout out to my boyfriend. So yeah, hi babe. Because you know guys, he always watching my vlog. For watching and then that's all. Bye! Please like and subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. But if you don't like this video, so yeah.